If you look at the first 20 minutes, we had plenty of chances there that we could have buried Tito 2 times, you know. So we had a lot of chances. But I think also if you look at the referees' decisions in the first half, they decided the game. Tito bamshapa kaskere boxing.
Nailed on penalty.
It's a penalty, but we don't have a VAR, so we're gonna go with
And
it.
they went on to score.
And then after that penalty, I'm looking at the ref. The ref can see that Tito is being uyanyangwa William, but he doesn't do anything. They go on and score the first goal. When they score the first goal, the ref doesn't even run to check how Tito is. The medical team, your Pirates, already was there. But if you look at the referee, busy, ngaba bantu baskorileyo pa only later runs to Tito. So asisasekanga. But when we look at the game overall, I think it was a good game. If the ref didn't make such decisions, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. I think first few minutes of the game, 20 minutes, 25 to 30, they didn't have anywhere to play because we were pressing them in their spaces. In the middle, I think we